Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to make fish cutlet curry. So first of all, we will take, this is a silver Trevally fish. So we will make it into the cutlets, and then we will put some seasoning. So now we have cut this fish into the pieces. So now we're gonna put some seasoning on it. So now this is crushed carom seeds. It's a salt and turmeric. Okay, so we're gonna put this on top of this. So now we will rub all the spices onto the pieces. Now I have rubbed the spices on the pieces. Now we will leave it like for 10 minutes, and then we will fry it into the oil. Now we will put oil into the wok. And let it heat up. We will add some fenugreek seeds into it to give it a good taste. And now we will add our fish. We will fry this fish like for about 2 minutes, and then we will take it out. So now we are taking it out. So now I have put some oil into this pot. I'm using the same oil in which I fried the fish. So now I'm gonna put one chopped onion, and I will fry it like for 2 to 3 minutes. So I think it's ready. It's little bit like getting gold. Now we will add ginger and garlic and green chili. We will saute for about 30 seconds. Now we will add the spices. It's crushed cumin, turmeric, black pepper, salt, coriander powder, red chili, and little bit clove powder. Just about 15 to 20 seconds. Now we will add tomato puree. Now we will add water after 1 minute. Yeah, you can put the water now. Now I'm going to add more water. And we'll cook it like for another 5 minutes. So now we will add the fish. So we have added the fish. Now we will cook it like for about 10 minutes. And you can make your gravy as much as you want, like as you like. You can make the soup out of it. So you can stir it like, you know, slowly, but not like too much. Otherwise your fish will be broken. So I'm just checking on it, like, you know, if it's tender. Yeah, we'll give it another 5 minutes. So now it's ready. I'm gonna put some fresh coriander. And I will put the lid on and leave it like for 5 minutes. And so it's ready. Let's dish it out. Bismillah. I'm gonna have it with rice, brown rice. Let's try it, how good it is. Have a look how tender it is. Wow, amazing taste, beautiful aroma. You're gonna love this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe HTV7.